Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change font size on AOL Mail account. The ability to directly change the font size within AOL Mail itself is limited. However, you can achieve similar effect by following the steps in the video. There are two typical ways you can change the AOL Mail font size. So let's get to them one by one. Open up a web browser first to get started. Go to the URL box and type in mail.aol.com and search. Also, make sure that you are logged into your AOL Mail account. After you are signed into your Mail account, from the main homepage, go to the top right corner and click on this little settings icon, which is also known as the Mail settings icon. Now scroll a bit down and enable the button right next to Enable Large Text Size. As you can see that your text size has now typically increased to a bigger one. You can simply toggle on and off this button and make sure to choose the text size of your preference, and you will be able to change your text size or font size on AOL Mail. That was one way of doing it. The next way is to simply go and click on the three dots appearing on the web browser that you are using, which should appear at the top right corner. You will now need to look for the zoom option. Simply click on the plus button in order to increase your text size of your AOL Mail account on this web browser. Similarly, in order to decrease the size, you can click on the minus option. So that's how you will be able to change your AOL Mail account's font size in two different ways. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.